In this video, we are going to do velocity mapping for our melody instrument. Now, can you just flatten this out to hear how it sounds? I want you to just test that out. Hold shift on your keyboard, left click, hold and drag, and then play. Now, having this be very flat actually reveals something. The intensity of these ones will sound the same, but once the notes go slightly up, you notice that these ones sound a little bit louder. Let me use the word louder. So you can still use this method, but it is good to always remember that if you have differences in pitch or shifts in pitch, that we are moving from this note area to this one here, you are going to hear that difference too much. So what can we do? Let me undo Control and Z. Let me use the other method that we learned, that is Alt plus O, which is our LFO meter, and I want to just adjust the range. Let me just adjust the range. I do not want it to be very chaotic. So just doing that and then pressing accept and then focusing on this specific part and selecting it, then using Alt and mouse wheel to reduce it. Let us see if that is going to keep these notes that are higher in pitch within the same sensitivity range as this one. Good. They sound lower in sensitivity, so we have reduced them too much. So let's just adjust them, Alt and mouse wheel, and then we can play from this section here. And let's just boost slightly. And you notice that that is a better balance than just flattening them out. So remember, when you have that difference in pitch, try considering why some velocities can be lower than others. And I will see you in the next video.